Question 1. Which core Australian value states that all people should be treated fairly and have the same? A. Exclusivity. B. Equality. C. Hierarchy. D. Preference. Answers is B. Equality. Equality is a fundamental Australian value, ensuring that all individuals are treated fairly under the law and have access to similar, regardless of background. Question 2. What is the name given to the original inhabitants of Australia? A. Maori people. B. Aboriginal and Strait Islander peoples. C. First Nations Canadians. D. Native Americans. Answers is B. Aboriginal and Strait Islander peoples. Aboriginal and Strait Islander peoples are the descendants of Australia's first inhabitants, with a rich and diverse heritage spanning tens of thousands of years. Question 3. When did the first fleet arrive in Australia, marking the beginning of European settlement? A. 1801, B. 1770, C. 1788, D. 1851. Answers is C. 1788. The first fleet in 1788, establishing the first European settlement at Sydney Cove and marking a pivotal moment in Australian history. Question 4. What significant event occurred on 1 January 1901? A. The Gold Rush began. B. Australia became a federation of states. C. The first Australian Parliament sat. D. World War I started. Answers is B. Australia became a federation of states. On 1 January 1901, the 6 separate British of Australia united to form the Commonwealth of Australia, a process known as federation. Question 5. Which document the framework for Australia's democratic government? A. The Bill of Rights. B. The Magna. C. The Australian Constitution. D. The Declaration of Independence. Answers is C. The Australian Constitution. The Australian Constitution is the supreme law of Australia, establishing the structure, powers, and of the federal government. Question 6. What is one of the Australian citizens? A. To travel overseas frequently. B. To learn a foreign language. C. To vote in federal and state elections. D. To join a political party. Answers is C. To vote in federal and state elections. One of the key of Australian citizens is to vote in federal elections and referendums, which is a compulsory requirement. Question 7. What does the Commonwealth coat of arms represent? A. The Prime Minister's residence. B. Australia's Indigenous history only. C. The authority and unity of the Australian Commonwealth. D. The national sporting teams. Answers is C. The authority and unity of the Australian Commonwealth. The Commonwealth coat of arms is the formal symbol of the Commonwealth of Australia, representing the nation's unity and authority. Question 8. What is celebrated on Anzac Day? A. The arrival of the First Fleet. B. The birthday of the monarch. C. The landing of Australian and New Zealand soldiers at Gallipoli. D. The Day of Federation. Answers is C. The landing of Australian and New Zealand soldiers at Gallipoli. Anzac Day, 25 April, commemorates the landing of Australian and New Zealand Army Corps soldiers at Gallipoli in 1915, honouring all who have served and died for their country. Question 9. Which city is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Brisbane. Answers is C. Canberra. Canberra is the capital city of Australia, chosen as a compromise between rival Sydney and Melbourne. Question 10. What is a characteristic of Australian? A. Formal greetings. B. Loyalty and camaraderie. C. Strict social hierarchy. D. Individualism above all else. Answers is B. Loyalty and camaraderie is an Australian cultural idiom that equality, loyalty and friendship, often expressed through helping others. Question 11. What is the name for the ancient stories and traditions passed down through generations by Aboriginal peoples? A. The Enlightenment. B. The Dreaming or Dreamtime. C. The Renaissance. D. The Industrial Revolution. Answers is B. The Dreaming or Dreamtime. The dreaming or dreamtime refers to the Aboriginal understanding of the world, its creation, and the interconnectedness of all life through ancient stories and spiritual beliefs. Question 12. Which major event in the century dramatically increased Australia's population and cultural diversity? A. The establishment of the First Fleet. B. The discovery of Captain Cook. C. The gold rushes. D. The Great Depression. Answers is C. The gold rushes. The gold rushes, particularly in the attracted migrants from all over the world, significantly boosting Australia's population and contributing to its multicultural character. Question 13. Which body has the power to make and change federal laws in Australia? A. The High Court. B. The Australian Parliament. D. The State. Answers is C. The Australian Parliament. The Australian Parliament, consisting of the Queen represented by the Senate and the House of, is responsible for making and amending federal laws. Question 14. What is meant by the rule of law in Australia? A. Only politicians are subject to laws. B. The government is exempt from laws. C. Everyone, including the government, is subject to the law. D. Laws only apply to citizens, not visitors. Answers is C. Everyone, including the government, is subject to the law. The rule of law means that all individuals and institutions, including the government, are accountable to and bound by the law, ensuring justice and order. Question 15. What is the Australian national anthem? A. God Save the King. B. Waltzing Matilda. C. Advance Australia Fair. D. I Am Australian. Answers is C. Advance Australia Fair. Advance Australia Fair is the national anthem of Australia, officially adopted in 1984, reflecting the nation's aspirations and characteristics. Question 16. Which national day celebrates the nation's diversity, history and achievements? A. Remembrance Day. B. Labour Day. C. Australia Day. D. Easter. Answers is C. Australia Day. Australia Day, 26 January, marks the anniversary of the 1788 arrival of the First Fleet in Sydney Cove, and is a day to reflect on the nation's history, achievements and future. Question 17. Which state capital is furthest west in Australia? A. Adelaide. B. Perth. C. D. Hobart. Answers is B. Perth. Perth is the capital city of Western Australia and is geographically further west than any other state capital on the Australian mainland. Question 18. What is one aspect of freedom in Australia? A. Freedom to break laws without consequence. B. Freedom to choose your religion or have no religion. C. Freedom to discriminate against others. D. Freedom from paying taxes. Answers is B. Freedom to choose your religion or have no religion. Australians have the freedom to follow any religion they choose or to follow no religion, as long as it respects the rights of others and adheres to Australian laws. Question 19. What is the name of the legislative body of the federal government that comprises the House of and the Senate? A. The Cabinet, B. The Judiciary, C. The Parliament, D. The Executive Council. Answers is C. The Parliament. The Australian Parliament is the legislative branch of government, consisting of two houses, the House of and the Senate, responsible for making laws. Question 20. What is a major feature of Strait Islander culture? A. Desert-dwelling nomadic traditions, B. Strong maritime traditions and distinct island cultures, C. Exclusive reliance on sheep farming, D. Extensive use of boomerangs for hunting. Answers is B. Strong maritime traditions and distinct island cultures. Strait Islander culture is distinct from Aboriginal culture by strong maritime traditions, unique customs, and close ties to the sea and islands. Question 21. Which of the following describes Australia's approach to different cultures and backgrounds? A. Assimilation of all into one culture, B. Discouragement of cultural diversity, C. Promotion of a multicultural society, D. Restriction of non-European cultures. Answers is C. Promotion of a multicultural society. Australia is a vibrant multicultural society that embraces people from diverse cultural, linguistic, and religious backgrounds, promoting inclusion and respect. Question 22. What is the purpose of the Australian electoral system? A. To select a hereditary leader, B. To allow citizens to choose their representatives, C. To appoint judges to the High Court, D. To determine national holidays. Answers is B. To allow citizens to choose their representatives. Australia's democratic electoral system allows citizens to vote for their chosen representatives in Parliament, ensuring that the government reflects the will of the people. Question 23. What are the colours of the Australian national flag? A. Green and gold, B. Red, white and blue, C. Black, red and yellow, D. Blue and yellow. Answers is B. Red, white and blue. The Australian national flag features a blue background with the Union Jack, the Commonwealth Star, and the Southern Cross constellation in red and white. Question 24. Which major body of water borders Australia to the east? A. The Indian Ocean, B. The Southern Ocean, C. The Pacific Ocean, D. The Atlantic Ocean. Answers is C. The Pacific Ocean. Australia is bordered by three oceans, the Pacific Ocean to the east, the Indian Ocean to the west, and the Southern Ocean to the south.